hear that train a-comin', it's comin' round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. Well, I got those Frankfurt City blues. Oh, I gotta get on the train. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Looks like we're following the train all the way down the track to the very end of the platform. I was on the other side of the platform. Of course, that's where you smoke cigarettes. But the train is a little late, which is a little uncharacteristic for German trains. Now, they're not Swiss commuter trains as regular and of the moment, but at the same time, we're 5 minutes late. That's all right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get on this train, shall we, before it leaves for Mainz and Koblenz and all these beautiful other exotic German places. Okay, here we go. I'll just get right on here, see what's going on. This is first class. I would like to be sitting in here, but I've got a ticket for second class. So, this is as good as any place. It's warmer than that platform was. That was a little on the frigid side. But Northern California boy like me can handle it. So here we go. Let's take off to Mainz, shall we, ladies and gentlemen? Let's do this thing. One poetry show at a time. Global domination. One poetry show at a time. Thank you.